Hello students, this is the second video of chapter number 13, that is amines. In first video we discussed the definition of amines, classification of amines and nomenclature of amines according to common and IUPAC nomenclature system. In this video we are going to discuss methods of preparation of amines. म्हणजे अमाइन्स आपल्याला तयार करायचे आहेत बाय यूजिंग डिफरंट मेथड्स इन विच फर्स्ट मेथड इज बाय अमोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्किल हॅलाइड्स. दिस इज द सिंपल रिएक्शन इन विच अल्किल हॅलाइड्स मीन्स RX heated with ammonia and there is the formation of primary amines. When alkyl halides is heated with alcoholic solution of excess of ammonia, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction in which halogen atom is replaced by amino group means NH2 group to form primary amine. Alkyl halides heat करायचे आहेत with alcoholic solution of excess of ammonia. Therefore it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction in which halogen is replaced by NH2 group and there is the formation of primary amines. This process of breaking of CX means carbon halogen bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. This reaction is also known as alkylation of ammonia. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. The primary amine obtained in the first step is stronger nucleophile than ammonia. Hence, it further reacts with alkyl halides to form secondary and tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt if ammonia is not used in large excess. म्हणजे अमोनिया जर लार्ज एक्सेसमध्ये यूज केला नाही तर द प्रायमरी अमाइन्स विच आर फॉर्म्ड ॲट फर्स्ट स्टेप reacts with alkyl halide form secondary amines. These secondary amines again reacts with alkyl halide form tertiary amines and tertiary amines again reacts with alkyl halides to form quaternary ammonium salt. Means there is the formation of mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines along with quaternary ammonium salt if ammonia is not used in large excess. But when ammonia is used in excess, there is the formation of primary amines only. Alkyl halides, that is RX plus NH3 means ammonia alcoholic in excess on heating. Here formation of RNH2 means breaking of carbon halogen bond by the ammonia and there is the removal of HX as the side product. The second method of preparation of amines, that is reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means which contains NO2 group and reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced to primary amines by using metal acid mixture, that is SnHCl, Sn that is the tin HCl or FeHCl or zinc HCl, or by alternative method of catalytic hydrogenation means addition of H2 in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium, or by using the another reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride means LiAlH4 in ether. Nitroalkane, that is RNO2 plus addition of 6 hydrogen in presence of SnHCl. Here removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen so as to form RNH2 means primary amine with removal of twice H2. Third method, that is reduction of alkyl cyanides or alkene nitriles, or it is also called as Mendius reduction. In Mendius reduction, the alkyl cyanides on reduction in presence of sodium in ethanol or LiAlH4 then there is the formation of primary amines. It involves the reduction of alkyl cyanide or also called as alkene nitriles. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol. This reaction is known as Mendius reduction. The reaction can also be brought about by using lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiAlH4, alkyl cyanide, that is RCN, carbon nitrogen with triple bond, plus 4 hydrogen in presence of sodium in ethanol, or lithium aluminum hydride. Therefore, on reduction of these cyanides, means on addition of hydrogen, there is the formation of RCH2NH2, means the primary amines. Fourth method, by reduction of amides. Primary amines having same number of carbon atoms can be obtained by the reduction of amides by lithium aluminum hydride in ether or sodium in ethanol. For example, acetamide, that is CH3CONH2 plus 4 hydrogen in presence of lithium aluminum hydride in ether or sodium in ethanol. Therefore, there is also removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, and hence formation of ethyl amine, that is CH3CH2NH2. Fifth method, that is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Here Gabriel, it is the name of scientist. Thalamide is the name of organic compound. This method is used for the preparation of primary amines. It involves the following 3 stages. First one is the formation of potassium salt of thalamide from thalamide on reaction with alcoholic KOH. This is a structure of thalamide in which the hydrogen is acidic hydrogen, and hence again this reaction is in presence of alcoholic KOH, in which OH, which has negative charge, and K with positive charge. This OH minus again combines with acidic hydrogen which contains positive charge, and hence there is the removal of water molecule. Again, due to breaking of this NH bond, both the electrons shifted on nitrogen, hence nitrogen gets negative charge. This negatively charged nitrogen again attracts the positively charged K plus, hence there is the formation of potassium salt of thalamide. The second step, that is the formation of N-alkyl thalamide from potassium salt by reaction with alkyl halide. Potassium salt of thalamide on reaction with RX, that is alkyl halides. From alkyl halide, X is more electronegative, which has partial negative charge, and R, that is alkyl group, which has partial positive charge. The negatively charged nitrogen approaches positively charged alkyl group, and hence RX bond breaks and X removes, and this X combines with K plus, and hence there is the removal of KX and formation of N-alkyl thalamide. Third step, that is alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl thalamide to form the corresponding primary amine. N-alkyl thalamide on alkaline hydrolysis, means with NaOH aqueous, there is the formation of sodium phthalate, benzene ring with C double bond O, O minus, Na plus. This is the structure of sodium phthalate, and formation of RNH2 means the primary amine. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by the phthalimide. Sixth method, that is by Hofmann degradation, Hofmann rearrangement, Hofmann bromamide degradation. Bromamide because here use of bromine and amide degradation means because product form with one carbon atom less than the starting compound. It is also called as Hofmann hypobromite degradation. This is the good laboratory method for conversion of an amide into primary amine containing one carbon less. The reaction is brought about by warming the amide with bromine and concentrated aqueous KOH solution. Here amide means RC double bond O NH2 again heated with Br2 plus 4 KOH, that is aqueous. Here only removal of this C double bond O and NH2 is only attached to R, and hence formation of primary amine with removal of twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. For example, acetamide to methyl amine. Acetamide, that is CH3C double bond O NH2 plus Br2 plus 4 KOH aqueous. On heating, there is the formation of methyl amine, that is CH3NH2 plus twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. The overall result is the removal of C double bond O group from the amide. As the product contains one carbon atom less than the original amide, it is a step down reaction.